Hey guys, Bristol Crypto Craig, and what we're looking at here, guys, is the demise of Terra Luna, guys. The last 72 hours. What a brutal few days it's been, guys. If you're a Terra Luna holder like myself, now this is just literally a complete sell-off, guys. Here, let's just move my mug out the way here, guys. So we had the all-time highs, guys, back here in April when Luna was on the way to $120. The last 72 hours, we've just seen the most brutal of dips ever, guys. At one point going down under $1. Um, Absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. Um, at the moment here, we're seeing it trading at the moment around about $2, but I believe earlier on today we did dip as low as 50 cents, guys, for Terra Luna. So let's have a look, guys. A lot of this is to do with the UST stablecoin peg, guys. Let's start off with a bit of news, guys, on this. Absolutely the most brutal of dips for any coin, guys. Even in a crypto winter, this is absolutely brutal. Okay, guys, so we're on FX Street here. So Do Kwon is a founder, one of the co-founders of Terra Luna. Let's just quickly have a look at this, guys. This is what's going on here. Uh, Crashes from $64 to 50 cents, guys. So it says here that Luna witnessed an 89% decline. I think they actually saw something like 98 point something percent, levels not seen since early of last year. So basically, the CEO went missing, guys, went AWOL, reappeared with a recovery plan for Luna. So any of you Terra Luna holders out there, guys, this is going to be an interesting one for you. It's called Proposal 1164. There is further predictions for a decline to go down even lower, guys, after the collapse of the algorithmic stablecoin. So basically, as I said, guys, the stablecoin is pegged to Terra Luna. Um, Went down to something like 40 cents, guys, for a stablecoin. Pretty much unheard of. I haven't heard of a stablecoin going like that before. A stablecoin, guys, for any newbies out there, is a coin that is pegged to the dollar, so it should stay around about $1 if it's a stablecoin. To go down to 30, 40 cents is absolutely horrendous, guys. So it lost its $1 peg. So let's have a look, guys, what the team are saying here, shall we? Um, Basically, what happens is they burn so much, guys, when it hits over $1 um, in its value on the stable coin. So basically, it drops below $1, and the burning of UST, and it reduced its supply to stabilize the peg. That's what they're trying to do. So the pressure on Terra's tokens increased with rising market volatility. USD lost its peg in the 8th, guys, which was when was that, Sunday. Proponents observed a recovery within hours with the help of a Curve Finance users move to deploy 146 million in a pool in exchange for UST, increasing its price. So Do Kwon, the Terraform Labs CEO, revealed Luna Foundation Guard's plans to loan out 1.5 billion in Bitcoin and UST reserves to protect the stablecoin's peg. Oh, hay fever's playing up, guys, today. However, the attempts failed and the token has basically collapsed, guys. So here is a tweet from the nearly half a million followers, guys, on Twitter. So he's saying, I understand the last 72 hours have been extremely tough on all of us. Know that I am resolved to work with every one of you to weather this crisis, and we'll build our way out of this. So let's see, guys, what Do Kwon comes out with. The article is here, guys. So USD's collapse is the biggest threat to crypto right now. It has massive ramifications across the entire industry. Is this the end of UST and Luna, guys? I don't know. Are we going to zero? I seriously hope not. Let's see, guys, what's going on. Also, we're on 498 subscribers, guys. So thanks for all the newcomers. If you're looking to get into crypto, guys, consider subscribing and taking a look at the channel. Um, Pretty brutal out there, guys. The streets are red at the moment, guys. Also, for any of you Fantom guys out there on the USD, guys, as well, we've seen similar falls for Fantom. Fantom has gone down, guys, as well to 34 cents from its all-time highs back in November when we saw a $3.50 Fantom, guys. Absolutely. Crypto winter seems to be kicking in, guys, even though I'm still, I think I am still in favour of this extended cycle, guys. I know it's hard to believe at the moment, and it seems a million miles away, but I still do think we are in for an extended cycle. All the signs that we're seeing at the moment is that, I mean, we are coming into a crypto winter and a real bear market, but I still think that later on we may have to wait till Q4, end of Q3 for things to start recovering. I still think there is possibilities, guys. However unlikely it does look at the moment that we can come back into a bull market maybe towards the end of the year, before we go into that real couple of year crypto winter, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm being full of hopium, but that's what we see at the moment. I don't know. Other news, guys. Anyway, let's get away from that. See what we can look at, guys. Let's have a look at the markets. Okay, so yeah, Terra, IOTA, guys. IOTA's down. A lot of blood in the markets. MetaPay. We've got a few there, guys, but generally the markets are bloody at the moment, aren't they, guys? Tether USDC holding firm. Bitcoin. Oh, I've just noticed, guys. Bitcoin has lost support at. It's lost its 30,000 support, guys. I just noticed that. Down to 29,500. That's not good. I was hoping we'd hold out on a $30,000 Bitcoin, guys. To be honest, I mean the market cap at the moment. There are billions, guys, billions flowing out of the market at the moment as well. Let's have a look at the overall market cap, shall we? I had a busy day at work. I've just looked at this and it's market cap total, guys. Let's have a look at the market cap total here. So as we saw back in November, our market cap was going up towards the 3 trillion, guys, mark. That's pretty, is it? Billions. Half a trillion flowing out of crypto, guys, in the last week. It's a lot of money to flow out of crypto. Half a trillion. I mean, even back here, guys, last month we had over 2 trillion. So we've nearly lost nearly $1 trillion worth of liquidity, guys, and money is flowing out the market. Where is this going? Where is this money going, guys? I'm not sure. Absolutely horrendous, guys. The markets are red. The markets are red. But now what you have to think is this is the time where you make your money, guys, at these prices. Chainlink, Link has gone right down as well. Let's have a look at Link, shall we? I mean, some of these prices are absolutely unbelievable, guys, to be honest with you. Chainlink back down at $7, guys. That's, from its highs of going on for, I think the all-time highs were actually higher than that when they back here. We saw over a $50 Link, guys, back in May of last year, before that brutal crash, guys. But I mean, let's have a look at this here. I mean, can you see some similarities here, guys? Let's have a look at there's a lot of similarities, everyone. I mean, we could almost trace this, everyone, couldn't we? This is almost a tracing. Look, we had the highs here, and then we had the brutal dips, guys, here, and this is the middle of May. You can literally trace this back to last May when Bitcoin was heading up towards 70K, April, May, and then we had that brutal dip, guys, where Bitcoin went from the 60 odd thousand mark down to And we come back down and we retraced down to these lows here, didn't we? Over a few months, back down to 30. And where we are now, let's come back to present, you know? It's similar. I know. It's very, look how similar this is. I know we weren't up at the highs of 60 odd K here, but we were going back up to 50 back here in March. Only that's over a month ago. And now we've come back down. There are similarities, guys. The similarities in the charts are literally, you could trace this back to a year ago in May of 2021, and then let's try and get some bullishness, guys, back into these markets, shall we? Okay, so we had that in May. We did consolidate for a few months. Okay, so May, June, July. Are we going to follow this pattern, guys, as well? Now, if we follow this pattern as well from this here, we're going back to these all-time highs where we nearly approach 70. Dip in May, consolidation, picked up, a few corrections, guys, and then in Q3 and Q4, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm being on hoping here, but hey. Just wanted to come out and say a few words, guys, to all you people out there that are holding Luna, that are holding your Fantom, guys. It's a brutal day, feeling the pain. I'll just hold him. Just hold, guys. Buy more. Buy some more. I don't think this is the end. I do think this year, call me crazy, but I do think this year we still do see more. I think we do see more still from crypto. I think 23 and 24, could be the real winter, and then 25 we'll have the halving, guys, and then we go on again. So let's just see, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do we go on to recover? Buy, guys. Buy. If you've already got coins and you've lost a lot of money, keep the faith, guys. Don't get down about it. It's been a brutal 72 hours. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what I'm doing, if you could I'm trying to get I'm up to just under 500, guys. I want to get up to over 500 subscribers. Then crack on and get up to 1,000, guys. Try and get a mainstream channel then going. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please consider liking and subscribing, guys, if you like what I'm doing. Like I said, keep your heads up. Don't believe this is the end of the cycle. Still think there's a bit of way to go in this cycle. Excuse me. Spitting ducks here. And let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Peace out. I'll be back on tomorrow with you and see what's happening. It's been brutal, guys. Peace out. See you later. Thanks for watching.